Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to walk you through 5 of the best Shopify themes for jewelry stores. First on the list is the Sapphire. It's elegant and bright, tailored for beauty and jewelry brands. So some of its strong points is the mega menu, product filtering, swatch filters, sticky header, recommended products. So display visuals very well, good for large and premium catalogs, strong ability to cross-sell via recommendations. However guys, because of its visual or animations, you will want to optimize images, so check mobile performance, possibly disable unneeded features to keep speed high. So second is timeless, so it offers sleek aesthetics with powerful conversion features. It has things like enhanced search, infinite scroll, product filtering and sorting, quick view, stock level indicators. So stores wanting to project a high-end, clean, luxury feel, well, this theme is for you. So the third one is the Laura. So Laura is great for jewelry brands that want to show artistry and uniqueness. So the layouts with lookbooks, focus on visuals, and design for emotional appeal. Well guys, if you have a very large catalog, sometimes designs focus more on visual than filtering navigation. So it may need extension or apps. And make sure guys, mobile flows are clear. And then we have here the Bijou. So it is made to showcase fine product photography, offers image zoom, high resolution images, color swatches, galleries, image rollover. So it is great product detail view, elegant design, and is good for sparkle factor. But guys, make sure to check out, plus card pages match the elegance. So the last one is the Solitaire. However guys, I couldn't find as much public information about this theme. So I'll talk about what to check when evaluating this one. So make sure, does it have high resolution image support? Or how good is it variant display, and what kind of navigation and filtering features does it offer? For example, mega menu, tags, and sorting. And of course guys, how's mobile performance and page speed, and the customer support and frequency of updates. And alright guys, those are my picks. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell button.